How do you learn to dance hip hop? Okay, so that's a kind of a broad question. If you want to really get technical with it, the traditional hip hop dance is b-boying or breakdancing. Hip hop dance has become more of, I think, in my opinion, more of an umbrella term. There's also the other dances such as locking and popping. A lot of people are thinking the choreography or urban dance is hip hop dance or hip hop choreography. It's more that style is more of an evolved form of jazz that has a lot of hip hop elements of that's been taken. It's evolved into something what the SoCal community is now calling urban dance. Because so if you're talking specifically urban dance, do you have a lot of options? You know, there's YouTube free. There's a lot of dance tutorials. I have urban or hip hop dance tutorials here, full on routines that you can learn at home, or you can do some more research on YouTube and find some there. Or you can go on platforms like Udemy. They have hip hop dance courses there. Probably a lot of the courses there are like $10 for a lifetime. So I have courses on there as well. A lot of my hip hop students there get first priority when it comes to getting new routines. There's also Steezy Studio, which is another great online source where you learn from some of the world's top choreographers. So if you're starting from scratch, I would say start off with YouTube and Udemy. But if you're really trying to up your game, I would go on to Steezy, and then eventually I would say if your town has it, start going to dance studios. And if it's not the quality you like, that stick to the online formats. You can pretty much learn anything online if you just put the time to do the research.